Hello everyone, my name is Anjani. This is the AI WeldInspector app, and this is the dashboard of uipath. There are 72 jobs that have been executed so far, and I hope this triggers, the action triggers, more jobs, but it takes a lot of time to update. So now let's get to the action. So this is the AI weld inspector. So in industry, we use materials like steel for structural jobs as well as piping, and they have to be welded together sometimes to function and to have structural integrity. So when we weld them, to make sure that they are properly welded, we take a radiograph and inspect whether the welding is proper or not, or there are any defects. So this is the architecture of the application. Basically, you can see it there, and if there is time, I would definitely go through that. Basically, you upload the image, uipath orchestrates, sends it to an agent, and the model reviews the radiograph and it accepts or rejects, and the database generates a report. And if it rejects, it goes to the human in the loop, and the human accepts or rejects it, and if it is rejected, it goes to repair. That's the action. Yeah, now let's get to the uipath. So yes, so now let's upload an image. Let's upload an image, and open, and now we trigger the process, and now the agent is now executing the inspection action. So as you can see, complies, syncs, update. So now we can generate a report. So since it is on, we can download the report. So you can see all the details are there. It saves a lot of time for the inspectors, especially when you're offshore, in the sea, in the middle of the sea. This is a great tool to use. Now let's upload another image, and we will do. As you can see on the right hand side here, there are various configuration variables, that is for the materials, etc. The point is, in offshore, a pipe that is carrying hydrocarbon is not of the same criticality as a pipe carrying water. So the pipe carrying hydrocarbon is very critical. Even if there are defects, slightest of defects would not be accepted. So here it says rejected. Now it is asking the human, would you want to approve it or reject it? If the human says approve, it overwrites and generates a report. So now we can now download the report again, as you can see. So now next, let us upload another image and see. Or we will upload the same image and reduce the thickness. This time we reject, so that now it triggers the action. Now this is all orchestrated by uipath, and the benefit of using uipath is, there are different clients, different specifications, and sometimes there are copyright issues. You cannot train the model on the specifications, so they can just use them for the project and then not use it anymore. That way, now it is rejected. Let's say we reject. Okay, so it triggers a repair agent execution. So that's it. So it goes to the repair job.